Hey everyone, let's dive into Grafana versus Tableau, two powerful data visualization tools. In just a few minutes, we'll break down what each one does, compare them, and help you decide which is best for your needs. First up, we have Grafana. It's an open source platform perfect for real-time monitoring or time series data. Think system metrics like CPU usage or IoT sensor data. Grafana connects to over 30 data sources like Prometheus and Elasticsearch and lets you build customizable dashboards with dynamic graphs. Its alerting system sends notifications to Slack or PagerDuty, making it a go-to for DevOps and IT teams. Next, we have Tableau. This is a premium business intelligence tool focused on transforming raw data like Excel or SQL databases into stunning interactive visualizations. With drag and drop ease, it's great for non-coders offering advanced analytics like trend forecasting. Tableau shines for business analysts creating reports and storytelling with data. So, how do they stack up? Grafana is free, open source, and excels at real-time monitoring, but it's limited to time series data. Tableau is pricier with a user-friendly interface and robust busyness analytics, but it lacks Grafana's alerting and server monitoring strengths. Check out this comparison chart. If you're monitoring servers or need real-time insights, Grafana's your pick. For business reporting or complex data analysis, Tableau's the winner. Choose based on your team's needs. That's it, guys. Grafana for tech and Tableau for business. Let us know your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and happy visualizing.